Now, how can you reset the control center on the iPhone running the latest iOS 18? Naturally, you can swipe down to access it and perform a bunch of different changes, move the icons around, add new ones, resize them, delete them, whatever. But in order to get them back to the original state, you're not going to do it through the actual control center, but instead, we need to move over to the settings app. So you're going to go to the settings, and on the main page, upon scrolling down a little bit, you'll be able to find the control center. So it is right there, and there isn't really much. Obviously, we have the access within apps toggle, which speaks for itself. It's pretty self-explanatory. And below, we have the reset control center. So as you can see, this will reset your control center layout to factory defaults. Obviously, you'll still be able to perform some changes to that, but it's just going to make sure that it will return it back to the original setup, because obviously you might get to a point where you just completely mix it up that you don't even know what you should put there. So this might be a useful option for a lot of people. And that's essentially how you can do this. There is the possibility that it is going to work a bit differently in the iOS 26, which is the next upcoming version. Currently, we only have the beta of that. So after it gets officially released, I'm going to cover the changes and everything. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos and uploads, right? So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future videos.